$2,000 monthly to Verizon feels normal, but costs you $24,000 annually without adding real value. But here's the play. This is called Ikea effect on financial products. Look at your actual spending patterns and bank statements. Verizon structured their pricing at $2,000 specifically to exploit Ikea effect on financial products. Your brain processes this amount as acceptable routine spending instead of evaluating the cumulative annual cost of $24,000. They tested multiple price points and found $2,000 sits in the sweet spot where customers don't question value seriously. The psychological framing makes you treat this as a fixed, necessary expense like utilities when it's actually discretionary spending that compounds. Listen close. You're paying $2,000 monthly to Verizon for a total of $24,000 this year. Walmart provides the same core functionality for $100 monthly or $1,200 annually. The $1,900 monthly difference equals $22,800 in pure overspending from brand loyalty and psychological pricing manipulation alone. Over 5 years, you're losing $114,000 to this single bias. Multiply that across the 8 subscriptions average Americans maintain, and you're bleeding $912,000 in wealth that could generate. Cancel Verizon and switch to Walmart or eliminate entirely. You save, they bleed. Final piece. $22,800 annually recovered by spotting psychological pricing. I break down the math on my page.